Welcome back to another Just a Tip. I'm your host, Harvey Hutch himself. Today, we're gonna be showing you how to use the Beverly Shear. Now, if you don't know what the Beverly Shear is, what it does, we'll show you. I'm actually pretty new to this tool. A friend of mine showed it to me and I fell in love. So nice little shear that you're able to kind of manipulate metal and cut. We've got some templates here that we made and we traced them out onto some 18 gauge sheet metal. Now, if you notice, my favorite part about this is that you're not just shearing this straight like most, like a regular shear would. You can actually cut it with radiuses. It's a little tricky on some parts, but it's nice to be able to get into it instead of having to use like a cutoff wheel or an air saw and things like that. You can sit here and cut your piece out. And it's nice for trimming too. When you're working back and forth on a lot of metal pieces and you're fitting your panel, you're able to go back and forth and kind of trim it as needed, and it's just a clean way of doing things. Now, obviously, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trim some of these pieces with the belt sander and get this piece to fit. That's your general overview of your Beverly Shear.